So if you've got tension in your kind of in between your shoulder blades or the thoracic, there's a couple of real simple things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is to try and get some strength through there and get your lower traps to activate. Essentially what that does is help your shoulders come down and take tension from here. Is you can just simply lean over. There's heaps of different variations, but by leaning over, having your thumbs up and then making this come up through here, I'm forcing all of those muscles in my back, my lower trap and my rhomboids to start to work. And just by doing that, you can kind of get them to reactivate, and when they start to fatigue, they'll release and they'll feel better. So the different variations is you come straight out like this, that works a slightly different part of the rhomboids, a Y, and then if you're feeling really good, you can come all the way up like that. That's super easy and simple. You don't need to get onto the ground. You know, by the time you're done 5 or 10, you should be feeling a nice burn. It'll help you feel better, and it's really good for starting to help your shoulders as well and your neck. If you want to get on the ground, you can, and you can do it on the ground, and it's the same idea. But you know, I don't mind just bending over, because that also helps kind of work your lower back and get some more muscles through there. And you know, you can find a quiet spot at work and do that and not worry about getting dirty. So that'll help get some stimulation and some blood flow all the way through the thoracic, start having it feel better. And by doing that, and those muscles fire, it'll allow your neck to relax. So if you're at work and your neck's really tense, that should even start to help there.